So now let's talk about color. So color is a basic element of design that affects the sensation of the eye. So we have color theory. So when I say color, we are looking at red, yellow, and green, and the likes. So red, and then so we have the primary colors being red, yellow, and then green, blue. Okay. So we also have secondary colors. That is a combination of these colors, primary colors, and then we have tertiary colors too. So a combination of the secondary colors. So let's take a look at something I did in Figma. Okay, so let's say, so these are the primary colors, so red, yellow, and then blue. Now these are a combination of like red and blue, yellow. So red and yellow gives us what? Orange, and then yellow and then blue gives us green, and then blue and then red gives us violet. Okay, so a combination of any primary color gives you a secondary color, and then a combination of the tertiary secondary color gives you a tertiary color. So you might want to research on complementary colors, analogous colors, and then we have some other forms of colors. Okay, but let's look at gradients. Okay, so to achieve gradients, let's say I'm going to select this. So gradients is also called color transition. So how two or more colors fuse or transition or blend together. So let's say this color I want to blend another color. So in Figma, when I select this and then it gives me the color property, I can click here and then go to linear. You can choose radial, and then it's giving me the option to add a color. So this orange, let me say I want to add yellow. Okay. So for the secondary color or the second color, I'm going to choose this. Then here I'm going to select here. Okay, so this something that we can do for our gradient colors. Okay, so thank you. And then also you might want to check on color theory.